There is a global zinc shortage. The primary cause is disruptions in mining operations due to COVID-19 lockdowns, as well as increased demand from sectors such as galvanizing and automotive manufacturing. This shortage has led to a sharp increase in zinc prices, impacting industries that rely heavily on zinc. Many manufacturers of die-cast fittings have recently announced price increases of approximately 40%. This is due to the rising cost of raw materials, particularly zinc. Die-cast fittings are widely used in electrical installations, and this price hike could have significant implications for construction costs. In addition to die-cast fittings, other products that use zinc include firstly galvanized steel, secondly zinc-plated hardware, thirdly zinc batteries, and fourthly zinc supplements. The zinc shortage is expected to continue for some time, and the high prices are likely to persist. This could lead to contractors being forced to use more expensive materials, such as steel connectors and couplings, which could reduce their profit margins. In some cases, contractors may even have to absorb the increased costs, resulting in a loss. The pricing system for zinc and zinc-dependent products is unlikely to stabilize in the short term. However, industry experts believe that the market will eventually adjust to the supply constraints and high prices. In the meantime, contractors should be aware of the potential for further price increases and factor them into their project estimates. To mitigate the impact of the zinc shortage, contractors can consider the following strategies. Firstly, explore alternative materials that do not contain zinc, such as plastic or aluminum. Secondly, negotiate with suppliers for potential discounts or payment plans. Thirdly, consider hedging against price increases by purchasing zinc futures. And fourthly, consult with industry experts to stay informed about market trends.